Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. This tutorial is for class 5 social studies. For this session, you are required Know Your World Book 5, pages 22 to 32, chapter Map Reading Skill. This chapter is for revision. Globe and map, you are required textbook, pictures, internet. Summary of this lesson is definition and similarities between globe and map. Recognize imaginary lines, example longitude, latitude, grid, prime meridian, scale, index, etc. Today's thought of the day is where there is a will, there is a way. It means that if you want to do something, you have to try, and when you try, you will get your way to work. Objectives of this lesson are: we will learn about difference between globe and map, identify the equator and prime meridian on world map, locate lines of longitude and latitude on globe and map, demonstrate the skill of using map. Today's topic is globe and map. Here you can see map of the world and globe and can understand the difference between globe and map. Now we will talk about imaginary line which we can found on globe and map. First of all, we will talk about hemisphere. Open page number 22 and read text. The hemisphere. The equator is an imaginary line drawn around the center of the globe and divides the earth into two halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere is situated between the equator and the northern pole. The southern hemisphere is situated between the equator and south pole. Look at this diagram. By this you can understand all imaginary line which we can found on globe. Equator. The equator is an imaginary line drawn around the center of the globe and divide the earth into two halves. The northern hemisphere is situated between the equator and the north pole. The southern hemisphere is situated between the equator and the south pole. Look at this diagram. By this you can understand equator easily. Prime meridian. The prime meridian is an imaginary line that runs from north pole to the south pole. It divides the earth into two halves vertically, and the eastern hemisphere, which lies to the east of the prime meridian, 0 degree, and the western hemisphere, which lies to the west of prime meridian. Look at page number 23. For this you can understand easily. Look at the diagram of prime meridian. The dot line shows prime meridian line. Lines of latitude and longitude. First of all, we will discuss about latitude. Globe and maps are divided with imaginary lines that run from east to west parallel to the equator. This is called latitude. Longitude. Globe and maps are divided with imaginary line that run from north to south. Look at this diagram. Here you can understand what is longitude and what is latitude. Observe this diagram carefully. Now grid. What is grid? Grid, it can be used to locate places on a map. It is formed by the lines of longitude and latitude are used to fix the positions of all places on the earth's surface and are used by navigators. Yes, diagram shows lines of longitude and latitude. This make grid. Locating the oceans and continents. Look at page number 24. A grid is used to make it easier to locate places such as the continents and ocean on a map. Look at the world map below and use the grid to answer these questions. Read carefully, observe carefully, and give the answers. Move on to this slide about index. An index is an alphabetical list of names of people, places, etc., along with the page number where they are to be found in a book. An index is always included in an atlas to help find location of countries, cities, and other places shown on the maps. Next to the name of each place, the index will give the coordinates to its latitude and longitude. For example, Pakistan country is in Asia, 30° north and 67° east approx. If you look at each line of latitude and longitude on the map, you will see that each is numbered. If you find the place where the lines 30° north and 67° east meet, you will find Pakistan on continent of Asia. Move on to this slide, different types of map. Students, as you know, all maps are not same. There are many different types of map. Here you can see two types of maps, physical and political map of Pakistan. On atlas, you can see other than these map, example, political, relief map, scales, etc. Observe atlas also to understand kind of maps. Move on to this slide about scale. Open pages 30 and 31 to understand what is scale and why we use scale on our maps. By the diagram, you can understand purpose of scale. Observe map and read page carefully. Now it's time for recap. In this topic, we learn about longitude, latitude, prime meridian, equator, index, scale, and how we can locate an area. It's time for assignment. Students, read text carefully, write small definition, and locate these on maps. Hemisphere, longitude, latitude, prime meridian, equator, index, scale. Learn spellings from the unit also. Moral value. A map, it is said, organizes wonder. Students, take care of yourself and others. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.